What's going on YouTube? Today we're going to talk about wrapping parts in carbon fiber. These are some of the things I have done so far. The first thing I did was try it on my ashtray for the Viper, and I think it came out pretty good. As you can see here, nice and shiny, and it looks good. I mean, I'm happy with it. It's not perfect, but for me doing it at home, can't beat that. Had an extra set of Viper letters. I wrapped them too, just playing around to see how it will come out, and getting some experience with the material. So let's talk about the kit. The kit includes carbon fiber cloth. It comes in a roll. It comes in different sizes like this. The kit also includes epoxy resin, epoxy hardener, and the black base. That's the first thing you mix with hardener and apply before you lay on top of it the carbon fiber cloth. It's a little batch I did too. I think it came out good. I had an extra chrome little batch, put some carbon fiber backing in it, put the material over into liquid. Came out good. So 2-to-1 ratio for every 1 of hardener, 2 of resin, and you mix it up, and then you start applying it. So I had to do this before I started recording this video because I needed both hands. So many movements, so many things I had to do. So it was kind of hard to zoom in and talk to you guys at the same time. But you're gonna get a lot of drops while you're applying the material. As you can see, it's still fresh, leaving lines as I'm going over it with the brush. So I like to reduce the amount of drops I get. So usually I come back and try to pick them up and reapply them on top of them. The part, but you guys gonna get drops regardless. That's the way it is. I just like to try to minimize it by doing that. But as the material gets drier and drier, the drops will be reduced. And of course, at the end, you're gonna sand it down before you polish it. So I mean, it's gonna come out either way. But once this material dries, it's pretty hard. So the less material you gotta remove, the easier it is, of course. And like I said, you're gonna get some bubbles. There's no way around that, so that's why I'm using the heat gun here. You can buy a heat gun anywhere real cheap. Go over it with it. Don't stay in one place because it will start to cook the resin. So just go up and down, side to side. Try to hit it from every angle, and reduce all the small bubbles that are going to be produced either when you mix it in the cup or as you're applying it with the brush. You're going to get bubbles. So use a heat gun, and then after you do that, leave it overnight. These are some of the projects I got. I want to make my seat inserts look like this. Also, the ACR wing I got comes with metal plates that are wrapped. They came out good, but I want to replace them with carbon fiber, and I bought these plates off of eBay. Also, for eBay, I bought these winglets that go along with my body kit. I got a helmet off of eBay also, and even they have a steering wheel that probably I'll get later. But if you got any questions, let me know.